Hi everyone, welcome to Jeda.ai YouTube channel, and today I am diving into the world of Agile retrospectives, specifically focusing on how to generate a Starfish Retrospective Template using the power of Jeda.ai. If you are looking to enhance your team's reflection process and drive continuous improvement, you are in the right place. So let's start by logging to the Jeda.ai platform. Once you are in, navigate to the AI workspace, and this is where magic happens. In the AI menu, select Retrospective and then choose Starfish Retrospective. This tool uses AI to streamline and enhance your retrospective sessions. But what exactly is a Starfish Retrospective? It's a structured method that helps teams reflect on their activities by categorizing feedback into 5 sections: keep, stop, start, less of, and more of. These categories help in identifying what's working well, what need to stop, new initiatives to start, activities to reduce, and practices to amplify. To generate your template, answer a few initiative questions about your project, and you can upload documents or data file to customize the template further, and then choose your preferred layout and AI model and hit generate. That's all. This AI-driven approach not only saves time but also ensures that your retrospective sessions are highly relevant and productive. Benefits include team communication, continuous improvement, identifying roadblocks, and fostering a culture of ownership. During the retrospective, the AI-generated template guides your team through each session, facilitating structured discussions and actionable outcomes. By integrating AI with your retrospective process, you can focus on critical discussions and strategic planning and driving your team towards success. Are you ready to revolutionize your retrospectives? Okay, sign up on Jeda.ai and start generating your Starfish Retrospective template with AI. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.